Hi, everybody. Hassan Sharik, regulated Canadian immigration consultant, bringing you an update on Express Entry and Canadian immigration. So, on the 7th of Jan, we had another round of invitations under Express Entry. This was a draw number 172nd, 172. Happened on the 7th of Jan. This was a program specific draw where only Canadian experience class applicants were invited. The number of ITAs issued was 4,750, and the cutoff CRS stood at 461. We all know that on the 6th of Jan, we had a draw, which was a PNP specific draw, and I made a video about it in which I did talk about the express entry pool, as well as the possibilities coming out of that particular draw. So a lot of people were of the opinion that now there will be a CEC draw, and that is something that has happened. So, consistent patterns being set by IRCC. First, the good thing is that there was a draw, and there were two draws in this particular week. So one thing seems pretty consistent. One policy by IRCC seems pretty consistent, that they will be conducting draws every 2 weeks. The number of ITAs every 2 weeks will stand at around 5,000. So there is 4,500 for this recent draw and 250 for last one. So in total, it is 5,000. As long as people are moving out of the express entry pool, it is beneficial for every stream of applicants. Um, Good news for CEC applicants, because there's a large number of CEC applicants in Canada who have work experience or who graduated, and they were stuck without much options because they were the cutoff CRS for the express entry, because of some very strong FSWP applicants, was very high. So they had these challenges. Many graduates who've completed a bachelor's degree maybe don't have a master's. Their points were not up in the 470s. So great news for them. Um, Looking at this, and I in the video that I made, I did mention that I expected the score to be around 460 if it was 4,000 ITAs. Looking at this particular data now, it seems that people who have a CRS score of 450 and above, there's about 35% of applicants from the CEC class. As we did not have a CEC specific draw for long, so we did not know what is the breakup. But I had done an assumption of about 30 to 35%. So it seems like there's about 35%, 35 to 38% of applicants as CEC applicants. Moving forward, I will have to wait and see as to if this is a regular trend that IRCC will continue with. It might be, it might just be a one-off thing. Um, at this stage, we cannot really say if we will have more CEC draws. But you never know, because IRCC is working on various policies where they are looking at supporting all those people who and a lot of international students who've come to Canada and completed their studies in the last few years. There's a large number of those, so they have to provide some benefit to them through these different means. And if they are not able to secure PR, that actually raises questions on the system. So maybe it is a policy that they will do in this particular year, but let's wait and see. Good luck to all the CEC applicants who received an ITA. If you have received an ITA, you will now have 90 days to submit your application. Within 24 hours, you'll be getting your ITAs. A lot of people might be panicking that I have a score of 462 and I didn't have an ITA. It usually arrives in your CIC account within 24 hours time period. For those who have received an ITA and they would want to seek our help, they can. If you just have one or two queries, you can book a consultation session. If you would want review of complete documentation, we offer that services as well, where you do all your application, all your documentation. We review if it is as per the requirements of IRCC. And if you would want complete representation from now onwards, because people have only created their profile and based on that they got the ITA, and now you might require, we can do complete representation for you as well. If you require any of these services, feel free to get in touch. You can send an email, or you could book a consultation by going on our website. Once again, good luck to the CEC applicants. FSWP applicants, don't lose hope. It's These 5,000 people have moved out of the pool, so there is definitely less pressure on the pool. In 2 weeks' time, if we have a draw again and the number seems to be around 5,000 being invited, definitely the cutoff CRS will have an impact. I do expect the cutoff CRS for all inclusive programs to fall down in this year from where it is, like come to maybe 465, 464, if not go anything below. But we'll have to wait and see how things roll out. That's all from my side for today. Take very good care of yourself and your families. Bye bye.